What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Polkadot, which has gained a decent amount of value in the last 24 hours, just about 10% up, nothing major, currently trading at $7.27. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next, what is its next target, and mainly covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, is it time to sell it, take out your profits? Or is it just time to hold on to it before it goes even higher up in value? So essentially, what is the best option? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can this crypto go? And is this a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.24% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And yes, we have Polkadot as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain just about 0.1%, nothing major. Over the last day 10%, over the week 17%, and over the month just about 20%. It's been very volatile over the last 4 weeks, literally going up and down all over the place. But yeah, over the last couple of hours, it has managed to gain a decent amount of value. And going onto the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 64%, making it $641 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money being traded right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and is gaining value as well. So yes, guys, we are going to see a lot more people investing into the crypto, selling the crypto, taking out their profits, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'll be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Polkadot, which is here in purple at $6.55, and we can see Polkadot is trading at a much higher value here in red at $7.28, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange now looking quite steep, heading towards a bullish direction, looking very positive. However, as I mentioned plenty of times before, whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, that means it's not realistic, and the exact same applies here to Polkadot. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm not expecting any major increases or anything like that. What I am expecting, let's say early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, is an overall drop in value from Polkadot. Again, nothing major, potentially dropping down to about $7.15 to $7.20 is what I'm expecting. But again, yes, it's likely to pump in the coming hours up to about $7.40, $7.50, or even $60, somewhere around there, and then slowly start to drop down in value to around $7.15 towards the early hours of tomorrow. But again, the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are still looking very bullish, very steep, meaning once again it is not realistic. So no major pumps are expected, but over the coming 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Polkadot, potentially heading to about $7.80, $7.90, nearly hitting $8 is what I'm expecting from Polkadot towards the end of next week. So over the next week or so, that's where Polkadot should be. But again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up. But the overall outcome, once again, seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So an overall increase it is over the next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, we're looking much more realistic. No more steep lines, guys. We do have the blue line going in a bullish direction, and so is the orange line. But of course, the blue line is looking a little bit more steep than the orange line. But essentially, we've got both the lines heading upwards, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks from Polkadot. So let's say over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm expecting Polkadot to be heading over the $10 mark, heading to about $13 to $14 towards early to mid-April is what I'm expecting from Polkadot, unless of course the crypto market goes for a major crash or a major bull run or a price pump. These things will have a major positive or negative impact, not just on the value of Polkadot but the crypto market in general. But at the moment, it's looking quite good for Polkadot over the next couple of weeks. So approximately over the next 2 months, we should see it just about double up in value from where it is at the moment. And again, that is something that is achievable. It's not something that's impossible or is unrealistic. It is realistic, and especially if the crypto market manages to stay like how it's been performing over the last month and a half since the start of 2023, we should be able to head upwards to hitting about $14. And again, as mentioned in the thumbnail, when I'm expecting Polkadot to hit the $10 mark, hopefully guys, I'm expecting it to hit $10 over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Let's say by mid-March, I am expecting Polkadot to be trading around the $10 mark or heading past the $10 mark is what my expectations are as of right now. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. But before I do that, guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are new to the channel. So for those of you guys who are interested on daily updates on the crypto market, what you guys can do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, guys. After that, it will expire, so make sure you're quick because more than half the spaces have already gone. And also, if you do manage to get in for $14.99, don't worry guys, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. And yes, it is cancel anytime. So what does this subscription exactly include? You're going to get put into 2 group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. And yes, I am into crypto for the long term, not the short term trade. And also you get put into a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects. And that is also where I give you guys daily updates on the crypto market, mainly Bitcoin, because more or less guys, Bitcoin is what drives the market in a positive or negative direction. And you guys can ask analysis and predictions for other cryptos, which I will also provide in the group chat. Everything is included for $14.99. So guys, any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. And now back to Polkadot and its Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, but we are getting closer every week to the green zone. And for us to hit the resistance target to head into the green zone, we have to hit $16.19, which we should be able to hit by late April, early May, and potentially by mid-year we should be trading in the green zone and heading upwards from there. And towards the very end of the year, guys, I'm expecting Polkadot to be trading in the blue zone here past the $30 mark. But again, I know we've still got a long way to go for that, so I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Polkadot. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Polkadot, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the $10 mark? Is it in the coming hours, days, weeks, months, whenever it is? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I'm going to end the video here. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe. So why not go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.